Fair trade honey, protecting beekeepers. Title: Fair trade honey, protecting beekeepers. However, beekeepers face numerous challenges, such as market volatility, environmental hazards, and unforeseen circumstances like climate change. Fair trade honey has emerged as a solution to address these challenges, offering a more sustainable and ethical approach to beekeeping. In this article, we will explore the concept of fair trade honey and how it helps protect beekeepers while promoting environmental sustainability. Section 1: The Importance of Beekeeping, 300 words. Beekeeping plays a vital role in maintaining biodiversity and food security. Bees are not only responsible for pollinating crops, but they also contribute to the reproduction of wild plants, ensuring the balanced functioning of ecosystems. Without bees, the world would suffer a significant decline in food production, affecting both agricultural output and nutrition. However, beekeepers face various difficulties in their practice. Apart from ecological threats such as habitat loss and the use of harmful pesticides, they also confront economic challenges. Fluctuate in market prices, unfair trade practices, and exploitation within the honey industry make it increasingly hard for beekeepers to sustain their livelihoods. Section 2: Understanding Fair Trade Honey, 400 words. Fair trade honey aims to address the vulnerabilities faced by beekeepers. It promotes ethical practices in honey production, ensuring beekeepers receive fair prices for their products. Fairtrade.org. Organizations work closely with beekeeping communities, providing them with support, training, and access to markets under fair conditions. By adhering to strict social, economic, and environmental standards. Fair trade promotes sustainability and social equity throughout the honey value chain. One significant aspect of fair trade honey is price stability. Beekeepers often face unpredictable price fluctuations, with middlemen and traders taking advantage of their vulnerability. Fair trade certification guarantees a minimum price that covers the cost of sustainable production and ensures a stable income for producers. This stability empowers beekeepers to invest in their operations, enhance hive management techniques, and improve the overall quality of their honey. Section 3: Environmental Sustainability, 400 words. Fair trade honey also promotes sustainable beekeeping practices that prioritize the health and well-being of bees and the surrounding environment. When bees interact with natural habitats free from chemical pesticides, the quality of honey improves, and the ecosystem thrives. Fair trade organizations encourage beekeepers to adopt organic and sustainable practices, reducing the use of harmful pesticides and promoting biodiversity conservation. Additionally, fair trade certification requires transparency in beekeeping operations. Proper documentation ensures eco-friendly practices, such as responsible hive management, avoiding excessive harvesting, and maintaining hive health. Such measures protect the natural habitats necessary for bees to thrive and contribute to a balanced ecosystem. Beekeepers often work in remote areas, lacking infrastructure, financial services, and market connections. Fair trade organizations bridge this gap by offering technical assistance, training programs, and support for capacity building. Furthermore, Fair trade guarantees that beekeepers are not subjected to exploitative working conditions. Fair trade standards ensure fair wages, safe working conditions, and gender equality, empowering women who often play a significant role in beekeeping activities. By promoting fair labor practices, fair trade honey contributes to the overall well-being of beekeeping communities and helps them break free from the cycle of poverty. Section 5, The Future of Fair Trade Honey, 400 words. As awareness about the importance of sustainable food production grows, the demand for fair trade honey is also on the rise. More consumers are now actively seeking out ethically sourced and environmentally friendly products, including honey. This increased demand not only provides economic stability for beekeepers but also creates a market incentive for more beekeepers to adopt fair trade practices. ISIS. Fair trade honey also has the potential to empower small-scale and marginalized beekeeping communities. By connecting them to global markets through fair trade channels, these communities can expand their reach and improve their socioeconomic conditions. The fair trade premium that beekeepers receive for their honey can be invested in community development projects, such as education, healthcare, and infrastructure improvements. Innovations in technology are also playing a role in the future of fair trade honey. Blockchain technology, for example, can enhance transparency in the honey value chain, allowing consumers to trace the journey of the honey they purchase, from the beekeeper to their table. This increased transparency further strengthens confidence in fair trade honey and ensures that beekeepers receive fair compensation throughout the supply chain. Ultimately, the future of fair trade honey lies in the collective effort of consumers, producers, governments, and organizations. By working together, we can create a more inclusive and sustainable honey industry that protects beekeepers, promotes environmental welfare, and ensures the resilience of our ecosystems. Section 6, Challenges and Potential Solutions, 400 words. Despite the numerous benefits and potential of fair trade honey, there are still challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main challenges lies in raising awareness among consumers about the importance of fair trade honey and its impact on beekeepers and the environment. Many consumers may not be aware of the issues faced by beekeepers or the benefits of supporting fair trade practices. Educational campaigns and increased visibility of fair trade honey products can help bridge this knowledge gap. Another challenge is ensuring the availability and accessibility of fair trade honey in the market. While the demand for fair trade products is increasing, it is essential to expand distribution channels and make these products more readily available in supermarkets, stores, and online platforms. Collaborations between fair trade organizations, retailers, and governments can help streamline the distribution process and ensure a wider reach for fair trade honey. Furthermore, it's important to continue supporting research and innovation in beekeeping practices. This can include advancements in hive management, disease prevention, and sustainable beekeeping stems. Collaboration and partnerships are crucial in overcoming these challenges. By fostering these collaborations, we can build a more robust and resilient honey industry that benefits both producers and consumers. Section 8, Benefits for Consumers, 400 words. Fair trade honey not only benefits beekeepers and the environment but also offers advantages for consumers. By choosing fair trade honey, consumers can have confidence in the quality and ethical sour. King of the product. One of the main benefits for consumers is the assurance of fair prices for beekeepers. Fair trade honey ensures that beekeepers receive a fair and stable income for their hard work. This economic stability allows beekeepers to invest in their operations, improve the quality of their honey, and enhance their beekeeping techniques. As a result, consumers can enjoy honey that is carefully produced, with attention to detail, resulting in a superior taste and quality. Consumers can also appreciate the environmental sustainability aspect of fair trade honey. By supporting fair trade practices, they contribute to the protection of habitats and the conservation of biodiversity. Fair trade honey promotes organic and sustainable beekeeping practices that prioritize the health and well-being of bees and their surroundings. This means that the honey consumed is produced in harmony with nature, free from harmful chemical pesticides and other agrochemicals. The result is honey that not only tastes better but also aligns with consumers' values of promoting a